everyone, it's Sal here with another video. It has been a while since my last one, but we're back with another unboxing. Now, as the title of this video says, we are unboxing a SONOS home sound speaker. Now, there's three models that SONOS, or four. I know there's three. There's the Play 1, the Play 3, and the Play 5. This one here is the Play 3. And basically, I just got the urge to buy one because I like to listen to music a lot, and I'm not always in one space when I listen to music. For example, in the basement where my turntable is, I'm not always there, and that's where I have something decent set up to listen to music. Sometimes it could be upstairs here on in my computer loft, but I don't have that really nice sounding rich music. And I don't get that from my computer. So I decided to pull the trigger and get myself a SONOS sound speaker. So let's go ahead and unbox it. As we open this up, few things about this particular model is that it does provide stereo sound because of there's more than one speaker in the unit. So that's why I went with a mid-range, also because of the price. You can get the Play 1, but that only has one speaker in it. It's tiny, compact. I think it has a decent sound, but I decided to spend a little bit of money, but get a little bit better sound than the Play 1. We start off with the Quickstart guide, and from what I've read, very easy to set up. What you need to do, and here it is, you just download the app. There's an app for your phone and an app available on your computer. Lovely little poster here of a nice little club party, dance club there. And then there's also warranty information. Let's keep going here. And lovely cardboard there. Packaged very well. Oh, it does have some weight to it. Apparently, this is supposed to be less than 6 pounds, but it does feel heavy. So here it is. This SONOS is available in two colors, white with a metallic grill and black, with what you see here, with a graphite grill. Now this is pretty clever because no matter which way you orientate it, the name is always spelt correctly. SONOS. So that's it here. Let's see what else we got here. So it comes with a, look at this, one of these flat Ethernet cables and power cable. So here's a few technical things that I read about regarding the Play 3. So this has, okay, and I don't understand this, the technology this deep, is 3 Class D amplifiers. Now I did a quick read up on that, and the only thing I read about is power efficiency. Okay, reduce better use of power, reduce cost because of the smaller size, and basically very high power conversion efficiency. So I didn't get a lot of it. You can just Google that and find out on your own what exactly that means. Maybe that's just fancy text to hype people up to try and purchase a Sonos speaker. In terms of the speakers in here, this does offer stereo sound, 1 unit. You can pair a second unit and then get stereo left and right from the entire unit here, and then a second one for right. But 1 unit itself does have does offer stereo sound. There is one tweeter for the high range frequencies, and 2 mid-range woofers, so you can get the mid-range vocals and some deep bass sound. Now there's also bass reflector, so that's probably the internal design of this box, this cabinet, whatever you want to call it. In terms of networking, this is not Bluetooth. It does have an Ethernet port on the back as well as Wi-Fi. So basically, you can have this anywhere in your house as long as the Wi-Fi connection is good, and you can stream your music. The dimensions of this is just approximate 5 by 10 by 6 inches. And like I said, it's less than 6 pounds, but does feel heavy. And that's it. I can't wait to try this because like I said, I do enjoy listening to music, and I do want that rich sounding experience whenever I do listen to music, more than, you know, either coming straight out of a cell phone. And sometimes I don't want having earphones in my head constantly while I listen to music. But we are going to fire this up, and I am going to provide some feedback as to how good this is. In terms of control buttons, on the top of it we have a play and pause button and a volume up and down. Okay, and there's also an indicator LED that different colors and flashing will tell you what's going on, when it's ready, when it's maybe doesn't have a good signal or setup, stuff like that. This is also wall mountable, so the wall mount brackets are extra. You would have to purchase them apart from the main unit, but this can just sit on a shelf, on a table, on its own, and it's going to work just fine. Now, from what I read, in terms of setting this unit up, it is all done through the software. So the software is where you control all the music from. I don't think you can play directly, for me on a Mac, from iTunes or throw all your audio from your computer to the speaker. I think it's the software that controls the library, also other music services such as Spotify, other music providers. But in my follow-up video, I'll give more details on what services are available on this SONOS system. Now, another thing is that you can have more than one of these SONOS in the house on different floors and push different music. So let's say someone is upstairs in the computer loft, they're listening to one, and let's say someone is in the basement, they can listen to that one separately with different music. That's from what I read, but we're gonna check that out. Hopefully you've enjoyed this short unboxing. Like I said, I'm really excited to get this plugged in and to provide my feedback. I've seen a lot of positive reviews and comments regarding SONOS speakers, so I should be equally satisfied when I try this out. Now, when you purchase this from Amazon, you always can return it. So this is where I purchased mine. So if it doesn't suit me, if I don't like it, I'm gonna return it as an unsatisfactory product. But I'm pretty sure that it's gonna sound pretty great, and I'm gonna really enjoy it. Anyways, folks, thanks for watching. If you want to look forward to my review on this SONOS unit, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. As always, see you next time, and ciao for now.